Hey guys, it's Brianna and today we're going to be talking about this guy right here. It was actually a wedding gift that we put on our registry. Let's be honest, my husband does not use this very much. He puts stuff on top of it sometimes. He will ask me to make him some stuff, so technically it is a weed present, right? It originally went on our registry not because of the intent of someone buying it. I thought it would qualify for the Amazon completion discount. Once you are done with your wedding, they give you a percentage off for the rest of the items on your registry. But I did not know when I created it, much like everyone else probably that doesn't read the fine print, you have to have an item that is sold by and shipped by Amazon in order for it to qualify for the discount. I know. The fine print sucks. So let's move this chair and get into this table. I will say right off the bat, note of caution, this guy, you have to build it. And it is a bit tricky. It was a true test of our marriage within the first couple of weeks. I can't remember any specific fights that came about it. I just remember it being really difficult to put together and getting frustrated and it being super late at night because I thought it would be super simple. So it does have wheels so you can move it around. I've moved it from the opposite side of our place because it stays in the living room. It does magnetize closed. Just open it up. There is a lock on the bottom which you can pop down to lock it in place. I love this little cubby because I have my stabilizer, my hoops, my batting spray, and my file photos. This part you just flip up and it rests right on there, which is why it's important to lock it. Here is my machine. Be careful where you put your hands. You're just gonna apply some pressure and it'll pop all the way to the top. Take off your dust cover. I like to leave a dust cover because the back is completely open. This one is my embroidery machine, my PE550D. My sewing machine doesn't stay in this because I don't have a dust cover for my sewing machine. I have a sewing machine rolling case and I'd rather keep my sewing machine in there and then keep the embroidery machine here because it has the dust cover. You just apply pressure and it'll click down. This is the sewing machine setting. I don't really use it for embroidery because it's going to be moving the arm. I know it's not going to hit anything, but I still don't like it there. I'd rather have it popped up. The sewing machine is a lot smaller, but sometimes with the embroidery machine, you have to make sure that it is on the plate in a specific way so that it's not hitting any of the corners when you press down. So just be mindful of where you have your spool holders and put your hands like this. Press down. And now you'll see that this plate is almost the same height as the sewing machine plate, making it a nice surface for sewing. And then you're just gonna, honestly, you need both hands. I can't do it while I'm holding the phone. Both hands, either side. Press down, locks into place, press back up, pops to the top, pop it there for your sewing. You can't just pop it from this part all the way back up. You have to go all the way down. And then you can pop it up. This is how the gap works. So you can put the foot right through there. Plug this guy in. And then plug this part into the wall this way. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!